Are you looking to give your WordPress admin panel a fresh, personalized touch without installing any extra plugins? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to customize your WordPress dashboard using only the built-in features. You'll learn how to declutter your workspace, adjust the look and feel, and make navigation easier. Also, your admin experience feels more efficient and enjoyable. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your dashboard work for you, not the other way around. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about tweaking the dashboard widgets. These are the little boxes you see on your main admin page, things like at a glance, quick draft, and maybe a few others depending on your setup. Now, these widgets can be super handy, but over time you might find that some are just taking up space. The cool part, you don't have to settle for the default layout. Go ahead and click and hold on any dashboard widget title, then drag it to a new spot. Maybe you want your site stats front and center. Or you never touch quick draft, just move things around to fit how you work best. This simple repositioning can make a surprising difference in your everyday workflow, like rearranging furniture in your living room so it's more comfortable and inviting. But what if there are widgets you never use at all? There's an easy fix for that too. Look up to the very top right corner of your dashboard and you'll see a Screen Options tab. Click on that and a panel will drop down showing checkboxes for each available widget. All you need to do is uncheck the ones you don't want to see. Don't worry if you change your mind later, you can always bring them back. This is a really effective way to clear out digital clutter so that only the most relevant information greets you when you log in. Think of it as decluttering your digital workspace for a bit more mental clarity. Now let's add a dash of personality. WordPress actually lets you change the admin color scheme. And while it might seem like a small tweak, it can really make the panel feel like your own. To find this setting, head over to the Users section in your admin menu and select Profile, scroll a little. And you'll see several color palette choices like Midnight, Sunrise, or Ectoplasm. Choose one that suits your taste. The preview updates immediately so you can see the difference. Just remember, this color scheme is tied to each user account, so it won't affect what other admins or users see. They'll have their own preferences. It's a nice touch for making your workspace feel a bit more customized. Kind of like picking out your favorite notebook or desktop wallpaper. Finally, let's talk about the admin toolbar. That's the black bar across the top of your screen with links to different parts of your site. If you feel like it's starting to get a bit crowded, you do have some limited control here. On many admin pages, the Screen Options menu lets you show or hide certain items. For example, you might want to remove quick links you never use, making the bar a bit less overwhelming. Now for more advanced changes, like fully customizing menus or adding custom shortcuts, a plugin would be required. But with just the native settings, you can tidy things up and make sure the essentials are always within easy reach. There you have it. With just these free built-in WordPress features, you can declutter, brighten up, and personalize your admin panel, no plugins required. Give your workspace a quick makeover so every time you log in, it feels organized and welcoming. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. And as always, if you have any questions or tips of your own for customizing WordPress, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.